Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rashida from my channel Harshavin. Friends, today in this video I again came with a product review. Friends, today in this video I'm going to review a best-selling art book from the Amazon along with the premium colored pencils from the brand called FunLavie. So here first I have the Mandalas mystical energy art book where you can see different patterns. This mandala art book has metatrons, cube and orgonite patterns. You can see different patterns and it is very interesting to just color it. And here it's given like sharing, learning and coloring tips before you start coloring this book. So coming to the quality of the product quality is very good. It is with a good spiral binding. So here I have FunLavie premium colored pencil. Totally I have 24 pieces. So guys, this product is made in China and let me open this. It has a beautiful pattern outside and you can see inside also it has a beautiful drawing. Very impressive. So let me open this. Wow, you can see a colored pencil and here I have something called as a free gift. Let me open this. Good vibes only. Whatever floats, okay. This could be useful for my fridge. I'll just stick on my fridge. And here is the colored pencil. So here I have color test page on left hand side. You'll get 24 pieces of color pencil with the sharpener. And you can see the color pencil quality. By look itself we can observe it is super luxurious. So you'll get 24 different shades. You'll get lighter and darker shade. Coming to why it is better, because the wood it is made up of Beechwood premium lead A3. Coloring experience is very smooth and coloring effect is bright color and sharpening experience has no burns and lead diameter is of 3.3 mm and packaging you can give this for gift also. This product can be used for professionals and even for the beginners like me. Let me try with the Mandalas art book. So it is the very first art book I'm trying and you can see the blending is very smooth. The pencil blending is very smooth and I'm impressed with the colors. You will get different colors, that is of 24 different colors. And I got this mandala book for $19.99 and for this premium colored pencil I got this for $9 and this product is up and running in Amazon and I can say this is most selling product in Amazon. So guys, all the links of this product and other products which is related to FunLavie colored pencils and book I have shared in my description. You can go and check it out once if you wish to buy this product. What I like this, the quality of the colored pencil and even the mandala art book. You know, once you're done with your art you can just frame it and you can just put it or hang it anywhere in the room or living area. So it's just impressive and it shows how creative or how colorful we are. I start creative by doing a color art whenever I feel bored or whenever I stressed. I feel this is a stress booster. Also, whenever you are free, you can just shade this with your creative colors. Guys, if you have any questions related to this product, you can comment me on my comment section. I'm super fast at replying all of your comments and the product links will be on my description. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.